In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your activity status on LinkedIn. Whether you're looking to maintain some privacy or simply stay low-key while browsing, this guide will help you adjust your settings to suit your needs. So let's dive right in and get started with these simple steps. First, head over to linked.com and log into your account. If you haven't signed in already, make sure you know your login details and complete the sign-in process. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your LinkedIn feed, which serves as your starting point for this tutorial. Now, turn your attention to your profile icon, usually located at the top right corner of the page. It's the small circle that likely features your profile picture. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a drop-down menu where you can access several options related to your account management and settings. Next, from this drop-down menu, select the Settings and Privacy option. This selection is crucial because LinkedIn keeps all your account and privacy options centralized in this section, making it easy to find and modify them as needed. Following that, you'll land on your account's settings page. Here, you'll notice different tabs across the top. Click on the Visibility tab. This is where LinkedIn allows you to control who can see your various activities on the platform, including your connections, profile views, and of course your activity status, which is our focus today. As you scroll down within the Visibility tab, look for the section titled Visibility of your LinkedIn activity. Under this category, you'll find the option labeled Manage Active Status. Click on Manage Active Status. This will take you to a new window where you can configure who is able to see your active status on LinkedIn. Now that you're in the right place, you should see three options to choose from: your connections only, only you, and no one. To hide your activity status from everyone, click on No One. By choosing No One, you'll ensure that nobody on LinkedIn sees when you are online or actively using the platform. This can provide a desired layer of privacy, allowing you to use LinkedIn without letting others know when you're active. And that's it. You've successfully hidden your activity status on LinkedIn. This straightforward adjustment helps you maintain control over your presence on the platform without a fuss. Remember, you can always revisit these settings and make adjustments if you choose to change your activity visibility back in the future. Thanks for following along, and don't forget to check out more of our videos for additional LinkedIn tips and tricks.